these are our 4 major grade counters, and so on the top left, we have a counter made from D flip-flops that counts from 15 to 5. So right now it's B, A, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and then it resets back to 15. Then on the bottom left, we have a JK flip-flop counter that counts from 1 to 8. And so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it goes back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top right, we have a counter made of D flip-flops that counts from 7 to 5. So 7, 6, 5. Then it restarts 7, 6, 5. Bottom right, we have a JK flip-flop counter that counts from 0 to 4, which we will program to our board. So it's 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And back to 0. So yeah. The hardest one was the top left, but as you can see, it counts down from 15 to 5. So 8, 7, 6, 5, and then it resets back up to 15F. And those are our 4 counters.